Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 14th, 2023. This is one of our IBC totes of firewood. This is from a couple years ago. It's kind of punky looking firewood here, some mold on it, but it burns well. This is the stuff that was sitting in a wet spot. And I just emptied out one of the IBC totes. So what I'm going to do is go get the Hulk with the forks on it, put this one out by the Sugar Shack, then get one out of the Sugar Shack, and then I'll replace that one. Take the full one that I cut up this fall and put it right here next to the other IBC tote. The process works out much better, much less handling of the firewood. So here we go. Wish the ground would freeze up a bit more. Just that things get so darn muddy. We've had lots of overcast today. We got intermittent sunshine, so that's kind of nice. Muddy going out this way. Got a lot of work to do on the main access road going out here, so this isn't all sloppy like the other area is. These had got quite a bit of rain on them, so I have the fan on in here for right now. Show you what I do now. I've got a hand cart I just picked up. This one came from Tractor Supply. Get off here without... So I used to stack the wood on each side in here, and now it's not too bad. My pallet jack here, which I just banged into doing this, but I think it's off the ground now. Let's see. Yeah. Well, I don't want to put it all the way out there, but there is a hand cart. I'll turn the fan the other way. And that's it. Now it's easier to get in and out of here. Not a bad system. I've got to come up with a better system though. Yeah, I think that's pretty secure for transporting it right up to the house. And that worked out. Well, we got her in there. I had to come back and readjust it because I did not have this in far enough for the door to close down. I have to remember that in the future. But always having two IBC totes, so if we have a bad month, we're in good shape and set. So another week and it'll be the winter solstice here. Real nice to have the sunshine. So I'll show you this real quick while I'm thinking of it. With the winter solstice, you'd see the overhang on the house allows the sun, because the sun being so low in the sky, that allows the sunlight to hit all of the upper windows, which really, when the sun shines, that allows the whole house to warm up beautifully. But during the summertime, when the sun is higher in the sky, that overhang up there, well, that completely shades all of the upper windows, and the only place that we can get sunshine in is the lower windows when it's hot. And fortunately we have these trees, these shade trees, which provide the shade and keeps the house nice and cool. So that's really important. So that's it for today's video. Kind of interesting. Just going and getting another IBC tote from out in the woodshed. Here we go. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.